We're doing things a little differently today, given that the sun is right at my back, which means that we're up here near the beginning of sunset. And the reason for that is because there are so many activities now up at the top of the notch here. At night, we'd like to document them. So we figured our day would start around dinner time, and then let's go through sunset and let's see what things are going on. The folks here at Mount Baldy have really worked hard to reinvent their business so that it's just a lot more than a ski area.